How to add text in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on a device and select a project where you want to add the text. So here I have already selected the project. Now in order to add the text, first of all you need to select the area where you want to add the text. So for example, if I want to add the text over here in this area, then I'm going to set it over here and then tap on the text option at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on add text. Now as you tap on add text, you'll be able to enter the text over here. So for example, if I want to add the text as hey, I'm going to tap on the styles. I'm going to select on the effects and animation and bubbles and everything that you want to add, but I want to keep it simple, so I'm going to just keep it like that. Now after that, you'll be able to see the text has been added in the project. So there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.